Hi Tomtop, I'm just going to do a video you requested of my camera not working as a video doorbell camera, not working properly. As you can see, I'm in my bedroom where my router is. My broadband router, which is high speeds of upload speeds of 30 megs and download speeds of 80 to 100. It's a very good broadband. There's my own phone, as you can see the camera's on it. Just recording off my wife's phone just to show it's on. Okay. I'll press the doorbell now. Everything's activated. See, as you see, there's a serious lag, and most of the time it doesn't ring at all. I'll go out of it and do it. As you can see, it's not picking it up at all. And as I said, I have everything connected perfectly. So it's obviously not working properly, and it's not much use to me. Let's go back into it here. It's crashing on me. Okay, just exit out of this altogether. Close it down. As you can see, it's on now again. I'll try it once more just to show you. No ring. No ring. Okay.